Explorers, today we are going to be painting with coffee. First, you are going to want to draw out your design using some kind of waterproof pen or marker, and then we are going to start painting with our coffee. So I'm just using a medium roast coffee and then painting directly from the cup, adding my first layer. I'm going to let that sit and dry, and then I'm going to go on to my second layer. Your second layer is going to dry a little bit darker, and we're going to continue this process for however many layers you want to add. If you need to make your coffee lighter, all you need to do is just dilute it with water. So add more water to it, and then that's going to make your coffee lighter. I did not use that process for painting, but I did do 3 different layers of the coffee. All I did was just let each layer dry in between. And once again, every layer I lay down is going to end up a little bit deeper than the previous layer, and then that's how I'm going to get some nice dark shadows. Using coffee as a paint is perfect for creating an antiquated look for your artwork. You don't have to only do one section of your page. You can even dunk your whole paper in coffee beforehand and let it dry and then draw on top of that. So that is also an option. After adding those last shadows with my coffee, I went on to add splatter with the coffee all over my page. I just wanted it to have a little bit more personality, so I went ahead and added splatter paint. All I did was load up my brush with coffee and then flick the paintbrush with my finger, which left the splatters on my paper. And this is the finished flower using coffee and adding some splatters with it as well. If you like this tutorial, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Use hashtag WhatBlueMadeMeDo to share your creations. You can find me at Etsy, Instagram, and pretty much everywhere. Happy exploring!